Hello and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, Lucas and I were doing a pork chop challenge, which means we're going to challenge each other to who can make the best pork chop. Here we go with the breading part. So I'm going to go ahead and add some breadcrumbs in here. So this is Italian style breadcrumbs. I need to pay closer attention. All right, I don't want too many because I don't want them to go to waste. So I'm going to put some black pepper in here. And I thought I had salt.
I think you did.
That's weird. All right. Ooh, a little bit of garlic powder. You saw how that pulled out. Okay, so my garlic all poured out on one end, but that's okay. We just stir it around. And I'm gonna put a nice pinch of salt in here. Okay. And I know this is weird, but I want a little more herbs.
Oh my gosh, I just took my head out.
What happened?
I was walking, looking at the pan, I didn't look, and my eye.
Let me go ahead and mix these around. There we go. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my pork chops around in the breading. Shh. Okay, that's Sprocket. You guys remember Sprocket, right? He wants to play. Stop, Sprocket. Okay, so as I said, you roll it around, the pork chops around, and then I'm going to line it on a pan. Now you can either spray the pan if you want to, lightly spray it, or put a little oil in it. Or like I did, I just used the foil because the dull side of the foil doesn't seem to stick too badly. All right. All right. So here are my pork chops. Trying to line it up for you. And then what I'm going to do with the extra breading is put it on top.
Okay, that's just gonna take a little bit too long. Alright, there we go.
Ooh, that's a little bit of salt there.
Alright, now we're going to add this. We're gonna add some pepper. Alright. I know it looks like a lot. It probably actually is a little bit more than intentional. Alright, and then now we're going to use our rest of the garlic and herb. Alright, this we're just going to... Hey, don't quote me on how good this is, because I've actually never cooked pork chops. I'm gonna mix it all together. It'll fine, it'll get like that anyway. that one yet. Like I said, don't quote me on how good this is. Or how good this will be.
Oh my.
Don't worry about it. It'll end up okay.
Okay, Lucas.
Yeah.
One thing you have to do is wipe these things down because you're touching meat, then you're touching the containers. So we're gonna have to make sure to wipe those down.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't want people to catch, trichinosis.
English, please.
That is. But basically, trichinosis is a parasite you can catch from raw pork. So we're definitely going to have to wipe these containers down. Okay, chalkboard moment. Use your cutting board. Oh, too late now.
My ears. Ugh. All right, and the reason we're doing this small piece is always gotta have the dog test it.
Yeah.
The dog's your best friend. He tells you yes or no. He doesn't lie to you. All right, now we're gonna put it in. Starting to sizzle a little bit. All right, so yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Don't forget to only leave them in for 3 minutes and then flip them. I am squeezing it. You guys should be able to put yours in at once, but I am squeezing mine.
Man, Lucas.
Huh?
Man,
Maybe what?
help you.
Why?
Just let me do it. Okay. So one thing you want to do is when you first put your pork chops in, or any kind of meat, anything you're putting in, you want to line the sides first. See how much more room you have? Better? I mean, you were getting the job done, but it's more efficient this way.
I never thought of it that way.
Yeah. Well, it's just years of training.
How was your guys' week and weekend? I'm cooking my pork chops. So actually, Monday, I'm going to the Pacers versus Golden State Warriors game. I think Golden State's gonna win because personally I like them because they've won. I think it's been 2 or 3 NBA finals in a row. But let me know what you guys think. Well, by the time you're seeing this, we already know who won, but I don't. So yeah. All right, back to the food. All right, we're actually gonna turn this off now. Okay. Now what do I do? Okay. I want to make sure they're done.
Well, they're not done.
I meant like ready to put in the
Okay.
oven. A little bit longer.
You set your oven?
Well, it will still be semi-hot from you, or from
Yeah, of course.
yeah, see, it's already done preheating. Alright, so these are now ready to go into the oven. Now, like I said, we're going to keep these in the oven for 6 to 7 minutes. We're going to check them at 4 just because it's kind of already hot, so we can see how they're doing.
I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna put a little rice for now. I'm gonna take one of my pork chops. So here's the pork chop here. I'll show you the rest of them, how they came out. So, you know, when you're serving this as dinner for your family, of course you're going to want to serve this with a side vegetable. You know, a little bit of starch. But, you know, white rice is probably not the healthiest starch, but it's what we had available for now. So that's what it looked like. Let's go ahead and cut into it to see what it looks like. Go ahead and cut through. Nice and tender. You can tell that it's done. You want to in on some of this action, Lucas?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, you may want to bring your own fork.
Okay.
So you can see it looks nice. You turn around. You see how juicy it is? Yeah, it's pretty moist.
But it is good. Alright, so pork chops are done. Pork chops are done. They smell good. We're gonna get a plate out. Okay. Now you can do it with your thumb or fork. I'm gonna do it with a fork because I think my thumb is too hot.
I'm gonna get this little piece.
Yep. We're going to cut into it and see. Yes, it is very done. Or it is done, not very done. But we're now going to try a piece of it.
Oh,
What?
peppery.
Too much pepper?
It depends on who you are. Yeah, it's really spicy.
You think it's spicy?
Yeah. A little salty for me.
I think it's pretty good.
But I think, you know, like if you mix it with the rice, it'll be alright.
I do think I had a little bit too much pepper.
So who do you think won? Lucas or me?
Definitely, man.
So let us know in the comments which one you would prefer.
Oh, we gotta get the final review. Like I said, he's my best friend. He has to know. Okay, well it's already gone, so I'm gonna imagine that was good. Okay, that was my pork chops and hers. Let us know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.